It's time for you to start wrapping your car, man.
Nice. What do I do with this?
You just throw it on. That's what they do in video games.
Oh.
Today's a special day because we're finally working on cars again. I haven't done anything to cars, and I don't think many of my friends have either since Hot Import Nights. But today, Billy got a new bumper, well, a used new bumper that is not the same color as this car, but he is going to wrap it to match his car. We are here to help him mentally. He's going to be doing most of the work, but right now him and his girlfriend are peeling whatever vinyl was on it in the first place. It looks fantastic. Billy, this looks way better than the old one.
Thanks.
It looks the same.
It doesn't sag.
It has fog lights? Was it already on? Did it already have fog lights on it?
Yeah, we took the old ones and put them on this one.
These are my old ones.
Oh, gotcha. But the grill is mounted on it.
It's taped.
Not.
We're gonna have to move a lot of cars around because
I want to clean my car.
yes, why do you need to clean it?
Because it's dirty.
It is pretty
It's
dirty.
always dirty.
Always dirty, always clean. That one's always clean.
Sometimes.
But I need to move my car out to put Billy's car in there because it's getting hot out here. And I don't think he wants to wrap out here. And Tien wants to clean her car in her garage because
It's hot.
it's hot, like I just said. Everybody's gonna grab a pair of keys and we're gonna be switching all these cars around. That wasn't so bad. Amazing work. This is what a Honda technician looks like. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
So the game plan is Billy needs to remove his front bumper so that he can take off his fog lights and that bottom grille, and then put the bumper back on the car so that we can actually wrap it, because I don't know if you guys know anything about wrapping cars, but if you try to wrap a bumper that's not mounted on anything, it's practically impossible. Billy's taking off his bumper right now. These need to go away. That needs to go away. I can see you drill beautiful holes already into this bumper.
It's not even from me.
It's not from you?
It's from the previous owner.
Really?
Yeah.
But
he had a quick release tabs on his.
Gotcha. But you're gonna have to, do you have to cut that at all, or you're good to put the flares on it?
No, I'm good. I just have to drill into it.
If you stay quite quiet over here, you can see Billy in his natural habitat, looking at his car in disbelief. Some say he's been looking at it for over 24 hours.
Anyways, Billy's been stalling for way too long. It's time for you to start wrapping your car, man. Here you go.
Nice. What do I do with this?
You just throw it on. That's what they do in video games.
Oh.
That worked really well. While Billy does that, we're gonna go check on Tien and her cleaning skills. Wait, this isn't the car you were supposed to wash?
No, I'm taking off the stickers.
Why?
Because they're fading. And I need new tint. Look at that.
Yes. And you know what? If we can get 6.4 likes on this video, we'll get her new tint by the end of the year.
I wish. Or sooner.
Thank you. But this is the car you're supposed to be washing.
Cleaning. I'm wiping.
Cleaning.
Not really wash.
But you know what? In this video, it looks super clean.
Thank you.
Yeah. This car, let's not look at the mess in this trunk.
Yeah.
I think Billy daily drives this car pretty well. What are you doing?
Cleaning the bumper.
With detailing spray? I highly recommend you use this instead of fucking detailing spray.
Thanks, man.
I think I have a spray bottle somewhere. Let me go dump this out and then I'll give this bottle. Oh, that was nice. It all went on his lip. Billy, you forgot your lip out here.
Oh.
It's okay, I don't mind. Here you go.
Thanks, man.
Nice replay. That's on camera, so it happened.
Get that?
Yeah. Those steady Honda technician hands. I heard, at least from Billy, that they go through a 3-week training on controlling their nerves to have really steady hands like surgeons, which is pretty cool. If there's huge holes in between filming moments, it's either because I'm too hot to film or because we're working on his car. But I'm gonna try my best. He's currently doing stuff and things. We just finished cleaning up the bumper with the IPO and it's almost ready for this vinyl to get thrown at it.
I like to throw stuff.
I know, me too. There's our torch. This is the best part of wrapping. That's kind of gross. Nice. Alright, you ready, man?
Yeah.
Here goes nothing. It's taking too long. This is very meticulous.
Ah.
Nice. We're about halfway through wrapping this bumper, and the car looks like it's having some breathing issues. I'm gonna go check on Tien and see how her cleaning is going. Look at this is my other car. This thing right here. I love it. How's it going?
I'm sweating, I'm dying, don't record me.
Too late, I already know.
It's going okay.
Do you need the drill?
No, it's fine. I've been doing it by hand.
Okay.
Wow.
Alright, I'll check on you later. We're almost done with the front bumper.
Thank you.
Wait, really?
Really?
Yes.
Check it out, Maddie.
It just needs to be cut, but like he's almost done with the whole bumper wrap. We've gotten so far, yet so far. Billy, what did you say this looked like again?
I can't say. I'm gonna get canceled.
It is getting somewhere. It looks better than the white you had before.
Yeah. It's still showing white.
That's on purpose though. But it's getting hot down here. So how's it coming along?
Pretty good, man.
It's been about an hour or two, but I think the bumper's almost done. This is the lip that needs to go on, but it's looking good, man. The bumper's gonna go on, the fog lights need to go on first, then the bumper, then that grill. Gotta glue that on the back, and then put the lip on, and I think we're gonna be wrapping this inside part in gloss black, so that it looks better. But yeah, we're like probably like 30-45 minutes away from done.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. What is this? Oh, it's gold. How's it going?
Good. This is my last wheel. I actually remove as much of the oxidation from one of the chemical I used.
It looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I need tire shine though.
I'll go get you tire shine.
Yes.
Thanks to our sponsor, Hydrosilex. If you guys want to try Hydrosilex out, they have great products. Use code Marc with a C and you can get 25% off your purchase. And it's not limited to one purchase, so if you like their stuff, just keep on using my code. This is their tire shine. It's way better than the stuff you can find at your regular auto store. It doesn't sling and it stays on for a while. I love using it. Tien likes using it a lot more than I do though, because she is a fan of keeping her car clean.
Oh, yeah,
Here you go.
This is when you should make the ad.
I already did.
You?
Yeah.
Hydrosilex. Deep color highlight.
Here's the applicator.
Thank you. Now sponsor me. I use it more often than you.
All right, we're gonna go back to the other side.
I'll put the Widebody on.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it looks good anyways.
It's alright.
It's alright. But it's pretty much done. I think we did a pretty good job. It lines up way better than this old bumper. But the lip, that's for aerodynamics.
Hey man, don't expose me.
It's just for aerodynamics. I think it looks cooler anyway. It's like fangs. That's cool. Yeah. Alright.